Hi guys, good to see you. Christine here from getfitandpole, and we are about to do a chair dance choreography together to Bad Habits by EdSheeran. You obviously need a chair, and more important is space around the chair. So take care of furniture, little carpets, things you have around. So you need enough space to be safe. You can dance the choreography in heels, of course, and there is a little tiny part where we will be on our knees. So if you want, feel free to grab your knee pads, and I will show you the choreography first and then walk you through step by step. Let's get started.
Every time you come around, you know I can't say no. Every time the sun goes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight had something wonderful. My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone, conversations with a stranger I barely know, swearing this'll be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking.
Alright guys, let's get started. We will start with 2 8 counts. Those are set. After that, I will walk you through more of the lyrics that gives you a little bit of freedom here and there to make this choreography completely your own. We will start in a seated position. You want to cross your legs and make a nice point with your toes. Grabbing the chair right and left. Your forehead goes to the knees. And in the song, he will count actually 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's an excellent start. Then we know, okay, this is our first 8 count. This is where we start. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Head to the right, to the back, to the left, forehead to the knees. Once again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we turn to the right, both our legs, left leg goes down to the floor, right leg shoots to the back. Nice pretty arch. You want to be on top of your foot. From here, you will stand up very slowly, flirting with the camera, the crowd. You have your left hand on the chair to be stable. And from here, just stand up. I love to slide on the top of my foot and to stay on top of my foot. If you want, feel free to be on your toes as well. All right, once again from the top, crossed legs, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, shoot back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right hand, I just have it on my thigh. You can have it wherever you feel comfortable. From here, he will say every time you come around. So we will come around every time you come around. Doesn't look too bad, right? From here, we will go with the right foot to the front, and then turn, make a circle with the left leg over to the other side, and then turn again to close, standing right next to our chair. Again. From here, we just stood up, right, and actually you can re-grab your chair for balance purposes. From here, right, left goes next to the chair. You want to turn and be next to your chair. One more time, a little bit quicker. From here, every time you come around. From here, you know I can't say no. Let's do that slowly. Right foot to the back. Left foot to the back, of course. Left hand to the right corner. Right leg closes, right hand crosses. And you want to be on your fingertips. And here you can do one half flick or two, whatever feels best to you. Once again, from here, left leg, right leg. Again, left leg, left hand, right leg, right hand, cross, and half flick. From here, you just want to stand up. So go with the fingers on your over your chair and then cross it to just stand up and be here. One more time from the side. We arrived here. Every time you come around, you know I can't say no. And stand up. All right, from here, now comes a little tricky part. It will be every time the sun goes down. So what we will do, I just show you, stay where you are. Every time we will stand up, this is our sun. The sun goes down, and down will be here. I'll let you take control. All right, slowly. What's really important if you work with a foldable chair like I do, and I can tell you from experience, you want to make sure you step on the front seat portion. Everything else, not good. Because you need to have your full weight on the front seat portion in order to be able, you want to grab with the left hand and then put your weight to the front that is really safe and stable in order to get up, sun, and then come down, goes down. Right? Once again. From here, your left leg comes to the front seat portion. You can help with your hands to come over, lean forward with your weight, and while doing so, turn to the left. And you turn a little bit more with your foot actually. Let me show you. Like you're stepping and then like turning it slightly. Right? From here, step, turn to the left, sun. So this is our sun, our right hand, goes down. Knee next to your foot. And ideally, you want to make sure you have a little bit of space where to put your right knee. So when you come down, it's actually kind of a super safe position because you just go, sun goes down. And you have full contact, left foot, right knee, right hand grabs the chair, left hand grabs the chair. Once again, come behind your chair. So, left foot to the front. Lean forward, up and down. From here, head is down. And now, with your right leg, you shoot again to the back and you lift your head at the same time. From here, shoot up, all right? And you can look to the front actually from there. From here, shoot to the front. And then he says, I let you take control. So you want to grab your chair and then like you turn direction. Again, your right leg slides. This time it slides half a circle to the other side and you're here. Whole sequence from behind your chair onto there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, sun goes down. Shoot back, take control. From here, easy, you can breathe. Your hand glides over your thigh, flirting with the camera, flirting with the crowd, until you're at your left butt cheek. All right, one last time all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Secure step to the front. Up and down. Shoot back. Half circle. And smile and breathe and glide with your fingers to your butt cheek. Awesome. From here comes a tiny tricky part. We want to turn towards the back and turn around to the other side again. In order to be able to do that, you want to have your left knee as close as possible to your upper body, because if not, depending on your chair, you would just hit the backside of the chair. So you want to have your knee as close as possible to your upper body, and then grab the backside of the chair with the left hand, turn to the other side. From here, your right hand goes to the upper right corner. And now, depending on your body type, size, whatever, what's important is you want to make sure you push with both hands into the chair. Depending on your leg, you can help either with your toes or with the foot to be able to push and then lift the left leg, slide down to your right butt cheek. From here, you lay down, and again, depending on your body type, either you will be on your hand, or if that's accessible to you, you can be on your forearm, right? And you have that nice arch from your foot to your elbow. From here, you want to extend your leg up to the sky, and of course, point your toes. From here, it's the easier, like the more force you use to get up, like the easier it is. So at the same time, you want to pull with your left hand, and you want to push either with your right forearm or your right hand. So from here, have a look, and then grab the right seat portion, and then you are up here again. All right, one more time. So we are ending here. Left hand goes to the back. You want to turn. Right hand to the front. Push into the chair. You want to slide down on your right butt cheek and lay back. We have time here, and then he says like, my world implodes. So you want to push quickly up to seated. From here, push up. Right hand gives you support, and you bend the left leg, right knee goes to the floor, you turn around, your left knee comes to the side, close your feet and sit down. And then he will sing Tonight Had Something Wonderful. So for wonderful, you can choose 1 or 2 half flicks again. Wonderful. From here, you want to push up and close right to left. Again, from here, let's say you're on your hand. So you want to push up, bend both legs, right knee, left knee, feet together, sit down. Something wonderful. Push up, right closes to left. If you want, you can look to the camera, play with your audience, and like look to the front. So from here, you will do your right leg will do like those knee hip circles. So from here, cross, bend to the right, cross, bend to the right, and then right, left, right. One more time. Pushing up from here. And come up. Right knee, left knee, sit down. Wonderful. Push up. Close the right. And then circle, circle, right, left, right. Now you want to make a step with the left leg next to your chair. You turn over to the front. Grab your chair with the left on the top, right on the seat portion. Slide your right leg over, bend the left leg. And you want to go into this mini tiny little plank. Extend your leg and then do wavy legs with the right leg. Go down. From here, push up. I'll explain a little bit about the tiny little plank. So we came up here, did our la 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 la. Tonight had something wonderful. We are pushing up, closing, circle, circle, right, left, right. From here, step left next to your chair. Re-grab with your hands, turn with your right leg. You're looking to the left. So you want to make sure you grab the backside of your chair and you want to have your elbow in this sweet spot here where you can hold it. Actually, it's not too bad because you can use the side of your chair for your left leg. So you don't need to go into like a full version and hold it here, but you can push with your left leg into it. Extend, and then you're already on the back side, or you can even lean with your upper body on your chair a little bit and do those two waves with the right leg. Close, both feet on the ground, come in, stand up, turn your chair, come over, now comes the easy part. Lean over and do 2-3 walks. Left arm reaches to the seat portion, left leg down, right hand down, left leg up. Last part, circle with your arm, 1, 2, and then push up at the same time. Bend this leg and your hand comes to your mouth. One more time from here. Now we are at the hook. Circle, circle, ending alone. Left step, strangers, Albellino. Push into the chair with the left leg. Extend the left leg down. Wavy leg, right? 1 and 2. Loose, use, do. Come into your little Superman here. A little air walk. Reach, down. Right arm goes down, right leg goes up. And you circle your arm and push up to your end pose. Hand over your mouth. Let's start one more time from the hook. Circle, circle, right, left, right, step, strangers, Albellino, extend, wave, wave, loose, use, do, walk, walk, stare at space, come down, extend your right leg, lose control over the things I say. And that's your end pose. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this little fun choreo. If you post it on Instagram, make sure you tag getfitandpole. That would be awesome. And make sure you subscribe to our channel because there's some more stuff coming up soon. Some choreos, some chair mobility. We are thinking about a strengthening program as well. So make sure you subscribe. And I see you very, very soon. Bye.